If a student does well in class but not on tests, the solution could be with their depth of knowledge or their test taking strategies. So, with the first thing, before the test, while you're studying, I would see if the student can speak openly about the topic. Instead of asking yes or no questions or multiple choice or fill in the blank, tell them to teach you or someone else. This eliminates them just recognizing responses or memorizing responses, but speaking openly about it. It increases the likelihood that they will actually know the topic. Around the test taking strategies, I have two quick thoughts. First is to tell your child to start every test off with a knowledge dump. Write down everything that they think they may need, whether it's math formulas or important people or dates or structures for writing the paper, so they can get those things out of their own heads, and they won't be thinking about all the things that they know and they want to share, which could reduce anxiety or even reduce overconfidence. The second thing around test taking is to answer the more difficult questions first, which is backwards from a lot what we hear a lot of the times. The reason I say this is because you start off tests with a lot more energy, and the more challenging questions that require more of their energy while they have it early on, they should tackle those first. So, for example, I like to write, but doing a lot of multiple choice questions would drain me. I would do the multiple choice first because at the end of the test, while my energy is lower, I can spend it on doing something that's not as hard for me. So it could be the style of questions like I just named, or it could be content. If some questions they have to just think harder about, answer those first. That way, the more simple ones for them, they're left at the end of the test as the student's energy is starting to drop off a little bit.